This disclaimer image establishes the channel's mission to help busy home cooks break down complicated recipes into simple, visual step-by-step guides. The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Ching Po Leung, also known as Qing Bu Liang in Mandarin, is one of the most beloved traditional Cantonese herbal soups. This nourishing tonic soup has been passed down through generations of Cantonese families, treasured for both its delicate flavor and its restorative properties rooted in traditional Chinese medicine. The name literally translates to clear, supplementing, and cooling, reflecting its purpose as a gentle, balancing soup that nourishes the body without being overly heating. Unlike quick weeknight soups, Ching Po Leung is a slow-simmered affair built almost entirely from dried and preserved Chinese herbs and ingredients, with pork bones providing a rich, collagen-laden stock. The result is a beautifully clear, golden broth with a subtle natural sweetness drawn from longan, lotus seeds, and Chinese yam, a soup that warms you from the inside out during cold winter months and restores vitality year-round. Main ingredients: 1 pound pork ribs, cut into chunks, 2 pieces, Chinese yam, 2 tablespoons dried longan, 2 tablespoons lotus seeds, 2 tablespoons rhizome minus polygonatum odoratum, 2 tablespoons foxnuts, 2 tablespoons lily bulbs, seasoning, 1 tablespoon rock sugar, 1 tablespoon salt. Step 1. Prepare the pork ribs. Cut the pork ribs into chunks if not already done. For a clearer soup, soak the pork bones in cold water for about 30 minutes to draw out impurities and blood, then rinse thoroughly and drain. Step 2. Blanch the pork. Place the pork rib chunks in a pot of cold water and bring to a boil. Once boiling, drain the water, rinse the pork bones clean under running water, and wash the pot. This blanching step removes any remaining impurities and ensures a beautifully clear broth. Step 3. Rinse the dried ingredients. Give all the dried herbs and ingredients, Chinese yam, longan, lotus seeds, rhizome, foxnuts, and lily bulbs, a quick rinse under cold water to remove any dust or debris. Step 1. Combine everything. Place the blanched pork ribs back into a clean pot. Add all the rinsed dried ingredients, Chinese yam, longan, lotus seeds, rhizome, foxnuts, and lily bulbs. Add the rock sugar. Fill the pot with enough water to cover all ingredients generously. Step 2. Bring to a boil. Turn the heat to high and bring the pot to a rolling boil. Step 3. Simmer low and slow. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let the soup simmer gently for 1 hour until all ingredients are tender and the broth has developed a rich, sweet fragrance. The key to a clear Cantonese soup is gentle simmering. Avoid vigorous boiling, which makes the broth cloudy. Step 4. Season and serve. Add salt to taste right before serving. Cantonese tradition calls for restraint with salt so you can appreciate the natural sweetness of the herbs and pork stock. Ladle into bowls and serve hot.